et prête. Rends les choses faciles. Et c'est chez moi.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video we are going to be doing a large Shein nail haul. I think I'm saying that right, I'm not sure. But yeah, I got a few things from Shein and it was very inexpensive, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you are subscribed, thank you for coming back, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So this that you're seeing right now are some Rhinestone Nippers. Do not use these on your cuticles because this is too big to be used on the cuticles. This is to get the rhinestones off of, you know, your nail, the hard ones, before you file. Alright, and as you can see right here, these are some nail art brushes with the dotting tools on the end. I had to get these, the colors got me, and I needed some more nail art brushes, even though I don't know how to do nail art yet, but I will. Eventually, I will. Practice makes perfect. Alright, these right here are some paper nail art. These were really, I thought these were so cute. I had to get these because I saw, when I looked on the website, I saw that it had some slippers, not slippers, but heels. It had lips. It has all kinds of things. Look at this. Why is it always so hard for me to open up things? I don't know, but eventually I got it open.
Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Show me how you do that. Trying to find the pieces when you rip it off. Why I go on your sister when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad.
Alright, so here I am showing some colorful rhinestones. I don't have this in my collection. This is why I did pick it up. And I need to get some more to fill up my containers. But yeah, I thought these were so cute. So I always wanted these. So alright, here are some more rhinestones.
Cutting the power lines, we're done talking about it. A spark turns into fire, and we're not sorry about it. If you're not sleeping tight, you know we're onto something. The streets are crying, ocean turns into fight.
And these right here, as you can see, I thought these were so cute. I had to get these. They're so cute. They're stars and hearts and flowers. It's kind of iridescent, silver-ish.
Control the wheel, take it to the streets.
These right here that I'm getting ready to show you, I was getting ready to have my California accent. I was going to say finna. But these right here are flatbacks, and they're like kind of iridescent, really cute. You know, I had to pick up some more red rhinestones, but yeah. But with the Shein, I like ordering from Shein. It doesn't take that long for the shipment to come. I think it took about a good 2 weeks. With AliExpress, it takes at least a month. So I just thought, you know, it was my first time ever ordering from Shein, and I actually like it. And I will be ordering some more things from Shein. I think my next order, I think I'm gonna get some nail art stuff.
Control
are some pink flatbacks rhinestones. And I got some more black ones. I got double. This was before I did my black and red nails. I wish I had these before I did my black and red nails. These would have went so perfect. Also picked up these nail charms. These are music notes, and I thought these were so cute, so I had to pick them up, and I did get double. I forgot I got double, but I did get double. And this butterfly, I thought it was so cute when I saw it, but to be honest, it wasn't what I expected. But I mean, it's still cute. It's kind of thin. It kind of reminded me of like the sticky notes, but it was still cute. All right, so these foil papers are cute. They're nice, and they give you a lot. It's nice in length, but what really caught my eye for this is the flowers and the butterflies and the color. I like the color, that pink and yellow. But they give you a lot. Look at that. That one is long. All right, so this one, these nail foils, they comes 10 in a pack. I'm not quite sure how much it is, or it was. Yeah, but it, like I said, I think it was like $1 and some change, but you get 10 in a pack. So these foils right here are super cute. I picked these up because of the ombre color. That green one is dope. It's like really dope, but all of them is dope. But yeah, I thought these were so cute, so I had to pick them up. All right, so we're going to get to the stickers, my favorite. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. So here we go with the struggle. Why am I the only one? I feel I'm the only one that struggled with opening up products. I don't get it. But I had to rip girlfriend off because girlfriend was giving me a hard time. But these stickers are super cute. They're ice creams, donuts, chocolate, candies. I thought these were so cute, so I had to pick them up. I'm not sure how many come in a pack, and I need to know these things, but I'm not sure how many come in a pack, but I did get a lot, and I think it was like $2 and some change. I'm sorry, but these are not stickers. These are decals. These are the ones that you have to put in water and then stick them on your nails. Alright, so these stickers, I don't have these in my collection, so I had to pick these up, and I thought they were so cute. I did get 2 packs, two of, well, how you say it? I got 2 packs, and 2 come in, I didn't even know 2 came in 1 pack. So, but these are kind of like, I don't know what they are, but the color is what caught my eye, and I know I didn't have these in my collection. And these right here, I think it's just 1 in a pack in these, and yeah, it is. It's 1 in a pack in these, and these caught my eye as well because they have like snakes, and I don't know, it was just so dope to me. So I had to pick it up. Alright, so these stickers right here, oh gosh, these are really, really cool. And you can also use these for Halloween. And those eyes, like the eyes is crazy. It has like, it's like crying tears. So I was mesmerized by it. That's why I kept looking at it, and like, it's crazy. It was crazy, but they dope. And here are some butterfly stickers, as you can see. I don't have these in my collection as well. These are so cute. But I was trying to get the glare out of it. That's why you see me kind of moving the stickers around, so you can, I was trying to get a good angle so you can see them. These right here are so dope too. I don't know what they say, but the design is what caught my eye, so I had to pick these up, and I got 2 of them. I'm kind of curious of what I come up with on the set with those. And these are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. The little pink bear, pink and blue, and the little girl, and oh, the cupcakes. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. All right, so these nails, I don't know how I feel about these nails right now until I decide to use them, but they are hard. That's why I was like, okay, these nails are kind of hard. So I was plucking them because they're like hard. You can tell they're plastic, put it that way. They were so hard, but like I said, I don't know how I feel about these right now. So once I use them in the set, I will give you my conclusion. So this video is coming to an end right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this Shein nail haul. Like I said, it's my first time, buying anything from Shein. And I will be purchasing some more stuff from Shein. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to my OGs, thank you for coming. And to my new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will see you in my next upload. Until then, toodles.